Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send stars on Facebook Reels. I know a lot of you have been asking me this question, and now I thought that today is the right time to upload the right video for you guys. Okay, don't worry about my voice, I'm still having a cold. I know it will get better as time goes by. Now once you log into Facebook, you will see your profile like this. Now you want to look for this feature with the TV icon. Just tap on it and locate your videos. Now, there's another thing here. You cannot send stars to every creator. There are specific creators who qualify for stars. Now, just locate your favorite creator. Now, you can see here the first creator here does not qualify to be given stars, but the second creator here can get stars. Now, after locating your favorite creator, look for this show your support icon here and just tap on it lightly. Then, you will see various options here. I'm currently residing in Kenya, so 10 stars cost 50 shillings. This is around $0.4 or 40 cents. Okay, now click on send, and you will see various options here for payment. There's M-Pesa Express. Now there's this Facebook feature here also. Now you will choose your favorite option, then send the stars to your content creator. Thank you guys for watching, and I've noticed one thing. At least 80% of you guys are watching without subscribing. If you find value in this video, I would recommend you subscribe, like it, and share this video with your friend to help this channel grow. Thank you.